Izzy.
Hello.
Hello.
We're at a carnival. And
Carnival?
It's not like a carnival, really.
It's a bonfire night.
Yeah.
Alright, Charlie. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Alright. So we've got a let's see if we can get a car to give us some light. Get a car to give us some light.
There you go.
Here we go, look. Okay, say hi, Izzy. Hi.
Okay. Oh, look.
Right.
It's in here, alright.
Well,
Charlie.
there's some rides, isn't there? So
Yeah.
we'll see you on the rides and when we've got something to eat. Hi, Izzy.
Hello.
Hello.
It's awfully loud.
Yeah, we're on Twister. Yeah, might get some footage. I don't know. So yeah, we're on Twister. Oh, finger licking good. Finger licking good. What do you think about that? Finger licking good.
There's candy floss.
Hello, Charlie. Hi. Alright, yeah, by the way, Izzy and Charlie are my cousins. Yeah. Twister. Yeah, we've got a lot to come. Got bonfire and fireworks, so yeah. We're in the ball pit! Ah! Ow, my head! I can't fit through! Oh no! I could sleep in it tonight! Hey, come back! I'm here! Go! They're gonna light it.
How many people are going to light it up?
Loads of people. There has to be a big fire.
We're in the bonfire and they're about to light the fire. Woo!
Ready?
People keep coming in and coming in.
Ready for it?
They're doing it very soon.
And fire!
Just what? Look, people are coming in and coming in. More people.
Must have took ages to make.
Look, can you see how big the fire is?
Yeah, look.
You're going to like it soon, don't worry. We've been here for a long time.
5 hours later.
What?
5 hours later. Here we go. There we go. And it's off.
They started the fire! They're starting it!
There we go.
Yeah, look, they just go up and they put their torches in. No, darling, they're specially, well, they are specially chosen.
Look, they throw it on now.
They're throwing it on! So cool! They spent ages making it.
Experience of a real fire. This is what a real fire would be like.
It stays there for like 3 or 4 days and nobody likes it. Darling, I've only got one pair of hands. Can you manage? What do you want? Come here. Probably now I've got my arm over shoulder. Sure?
No, mate, it's a block. Oh, that scared me. How much it takes forever?
I was just about to say how quick it's going.
Do the sticks do they look like they're staying up?
Yeah, well they walk down eventually, I think. Or whether they're metal. No, they're pallets.
What are they?
It's all wood. Yeah, it's all pallets and sticks.
How do they get it so high?
Because they build it and they use a forklift truck to put the more and more.
I don't understand. How do they get the bangs in?
They put banks in it. Hang on a minute, Charlie. Put that on a minute. One, jump.
Look at that, is he? Look at it. Yeah.
How long have you got?
What?
How long is it?
I don't know yet. Oh my god.
How cool does that look?
Is it like bush stuff that's like being burnt?
Push stuff on the outside, yeah.
Look at that little kid there. Look at that little kid over there. Look, he loves it, he does.
I can't see.
You can't see? Move up a bit. Move up the hill. Move up.
Don't know what you're standing on. Watch the colours.
No, she couldn't see. What? There.
Put Charlie's coat on there as well, otherwise we're going to lose that.
When is this gonna finish?
When it all burns out. No.
How long?
Did they put the fire out?
Get down now, babe.
Fireworks start at
What time did the fireworks start? What time did the fireworks start?
8 o'clock.
What time is it now?
Have you up there all that time? My back. Sorry. Darling, I've got one pair of hands. It's about everybody's time.
Fireworks! Shush.
Oh, Daddy!
What was that? Oh, it was a bird. I thought it was a flare. Alright. Got some fireworks going.
Drop my case. That's not ridiculous.
Easy.
Can you put that in my head? Hit it
Fluffy
up.
one.
Hey. Put that in your pocket. Here. What do you think of the fireworks this evening?
Good, but oh hello.
What?
Whoa!
Very good shot.
What the fireworks is gonna be like. Okay, love you. Bye. Bonfire.
What are you doing?
Done. Woo! Fireworks. Bye.
Bonfire. 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 Oh, come on.
Really, where'd you put my case? Oh, hello. Lovely. It's fluffy and warm.
Get a zoom in.
Imagine if it dries over right
Zoom out.
Bonfire's still going on.
Big firework. Oh God. I ain't got enough bloody space to get him all in. I'll get a little spot. Into the bonfire.
Whatever. I mean, it's not that Billy knew.
So, what did you think of the fire night, is he? So we can get some light.
For me, so.
Good.
Good. We've got some like siren over there. Let's get another shot of the bonfire.
I can see it now.
You can see what? Got some strobe over there. What did you think of it, Charlie?
Good.
You liked it?
Oh.
You liked it, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. It's siren again. I mean, it's just an ambulance, just in case anyone gets hurt in that process. But,
I
yeah.
hope nobody gets hurt.
No, I shouldn't though, unless they mess around.
Well,
The only way people will mess around is string grease because
yeah.
and it'll be their fault.
What's that?
I'm going to be
Or like if
German?
it's like by the bike.
German and specially sausages. Really?
No.
Yeah, German and specialty sausages.
my entire life is spent.
No, they're like German sausages.
Specialty sausages and a sausage.
Oh,
Oh, it's not St John's, it's just a normal ambulance.
Picture on there.
Because the
Can I take a pic? Why do I need the lighter on there?
Because they do.
even cover it.
Mummy.
Yes.
Can I have your phone?
No, darling, not at the moment because I'm trying to
take a
concentrate on not
pic.
watching a video.